Bladed tools earn their place through repetition, not first impressions. Clearing brush, cutting through stubborn growth, splitting lighter wood, these are tasks that don't feel dramatic, but they add up fast. A machete that's too light bounces off material. One that's too heavy drains energy over time. Poor balance turns simple work into a fight, especially when conditions aren't ideal. The HX Outdoors machete is built around control rather than aggression. The weight sits where it should, allowing the blade to move cleanly through material without forcing your arm to do all the work. Grip security stays consistent even when hands are tired or damp, which matters more the longer you're working. In real use, it feels predictable. That predictability builds trust, letting you focus on the task instead of compensating for the tool. Backpacks tend to reveal their weaknesses once they're fully loaded. Straps shift, access points stop making sense, and weight pulls you off balance as the day goes on. In survival or extended outdoor use, that discomfort turns into inefficiency, and inefficiency costs energy. The Havoc 2 is designed to keep structure under load. The layout supports organization without forcing it, and weight stays close to the body instead of dragging backward. Access points remain usable even when the pack is full, which matters when you need one item without unpacking everything else. Over time, that design reduces fatigue. The pack doesn't fight your movement. It moves with you, quietly doing its job in the background. Sources look clean until they aren't, and by the time contamination becomes obvious, it's already too late. Carrying enough water isn't always possible, and relying on untreated sources is a risk that compounds quickly. The Wayfarer simplifies that risk into a single, repeatable action. You collect water where you find it and treat it as you drink, without complex steps or extra components. That matters when fatigue sets in or time is limited. In real use, it becomes part of normal behavior rather than a separate process. You stay hydrated without second-guessing the source, and in survival scenarios, that certainty is invaluable. Injury rarely happens when you're prepared for it. It happens during routine movement, a slip, a cut, a bad landing, something sharp where it shouldn't be. In those moments, hesitation comes from disorganization. Digging through loose supplies or realizing something important is missing adds stress when time and clarity matter most. The Thrive First Aid Kit is built around readiness rather than excess. Supplies are arranged logically, making it easier to find what you need without thinking through every step. That matters in real situations, especially when adrenaline is high or conditions are poor. The kit feels intentional, not stuffed. Over time, that organization builds confidence. You know what's inside, where it is, and how quickly you can use it, which is exactly what a medical kit should provide. The Benchmade Anonymous is the ultimate companion for those who demand durability and precision in the wild. Engineered with a 5-inch CPM Crewwear steel blade, it delivers exceptional edge retention and resistance against wear, allowing it to tackle rigorous tasks with ease. The blade's Cerakote coating not only shields it from the harsh elements, but also minimizes reflective glare, which can be crucial in survival scenarios. Its OD green G10 handle is crafted for optimal comfort and control, even in wet, slippery conditions, ensuring a steady grip for precise cuts. Designed for true outdoor versatility, the Anonymous features a ferro rod loop, facilitating fire starting when you need it most, and a lanyard hole to expand carry options. Ideal for bushcraft, survival, and a wide range of utility applications, this knife brings together rugged build quality and purpose-driven design to meet the demands of any adventure. Rising, smoke filling the cabin, doors that won't open the way they should. In those moments, strength and panic don't help. Access does. Relying on bare hands or improvised tools wastes precious seconds. The Sodoride window breaker exists for one purpose: creating an exit when nothing else works. It's small, simple, and immediate. There's no setup and no technique to remember under pressure. That simplicity matters because fine motor skills drop quickly in emergencies. A tool that works with a single, decisive action can change the outcome of a situation where timing is everything. Wind shifts, rain changes direction, temperatures drop faster than expected. In those moments, limited shelter options force you to accept discomfort or make compromises that affect rest and morale. The Scalar tarp is designed to adapt rather than dictate setup. Multiple configurations allow it to respond to terrain, weather, and available anchor points instead of fighting them. That flexibility matters because conditions rarely match the plan. In real use, the tarp becomes a system rather than a sheet of fabric, something you adjust as the environment changes, maintaining protection without constant struggle. Chest packs earn their place when movement matters. Hiking uphill, navigating brush, scrambling over uneven ground, stopping to swing a backpack around every time you need something breaks rhythm fast. When essentials are buried behind you, small tasks turn into interruptions, and interruptions add up over a long day. The West Slope chest pack keeps critical gear where your hands naturally go. Access stays consistent whether you're standing, kneeling, or moving quickly, and the pack remains stable instead of shifting with every step. That stability matters because it reduces wasted motion and mental effort. Over time, you stop thinking about where things are and start moving with more confidence. The pack becomes part of your working space rather than something you constantly adjust. Small tools are easy to dismiss until the moment you need one immediately. Tight knots, quick adjustments, light prying, these tasks rarely justify digging through a pack, but improvising without the right tool often leads to frustration or damage. The Ant-designed Carabiner multi-tool focuses on being available rather than impressive. It stays clipped, ready, and usable with minimal effort. The functions are straightforward and predictable, which matters when conditions aren't ideal or your hands are tired. In real use, it earns trust by solving small problems quickly and without ceremony. It's not a replacement for a full tool set. It's a quiet problem solver that keeps momentum going. Traditional wallets fail slowly. Materials stretch, seams weaken, and bulk builds up until pockets become uncomfortable and access feels sloppy. In outdoor or travel-heavy use, that weakness shows up even faster. The Jackfish card holder strips carry down to essentials and reinforces what remains. Cards stay protected, structure stays rigid, and the profile remains slim regardless of movement. That consistency matters because it removes one more variable from daily carry. You know exactly what you have and where it is, without excess or distraction. Over time, that simplicity proves valuable, especially when reliability matters more than appearance. They build over hours. Pressure in the arches, impact traveling up the legs, ankles working harder than they should. On uneven ground or long days, boots that look solid at first start draining energy quietly. By the time you notice, your pace has slowed and every step feels heavier than it needs to be. The charged Velsets is built to reduce that fatigue rather than mask it. The mid-height support stabilizes the ankle without locking it in place, and the cushioning absorbs impact before it reaches your joints. That balance matters in real use, especially when you're moving fast or carrying weight. The boot feels responsive instead of stiff, allowing natural movement while still providing structure. Over time, that translates into steadier footing and less strain, the kind of reliability you appreciate most at the end of a long day, not the beginning. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss more videos like this.